How long does it take you to clean the tank with hazardous chemicals on your water purification system? 2 hours? 3? Maybe more? What if you could be done in just 5 minutes without exposing yourself to any hazardous chemicals? As a pioneer in the manufacturing of disposables for the biopharmaceutical industry, Sartorius has created a unique bag tank to simplify your daily access to pure water. The bag tank connects to our Arium Advance or Comfort systems and provides intermediate storage of purified water. You can select your bag tank from 3 different sizes: 20, 50 or 100 litres, available with or without a pump. Each bag is contained inside a specially designed housing that fully protects the water from light or other ambient factors. Instead of cleaning, you simply replace the bag with a new one. The quick connectors make the process fast and easy, requiring less than 5 minutes. But there's more to the bag tank. Made using the same proprietary multi-layered film material used in our storage products for bioprocessing fluids, the bag tank ensures safe storage of pure water. A standard integrated vent filter on the bags allows safe degassing to further reduce the risk of contamination. For additional flexibility, the optional available Arium Smart Station allows direct access to the pre-treated water inside the bag. Optional rollers on the housing enable easy relocation so you can achieve the optimal setup for your workspace. Arium Bagtank. More than just pure water storage.